My name is Ahmed and I studied engineering in Trafford College, and I am now studying architecture at Liverpool John Moores University. I came to Trafford College, which I had no GCSEs, so I worked my way up all the way to my BTEC, and then I worked very hard, and after my BTEC I successfully gained my first choice at university to do architecture. Accessibility is important for learning because it prevents disadvantaged people from becoming unsuccessful. It really depends on your ability and your willingness to learn, so nothing can stop you from achieving your goals. Trafford College fit my accessibility needs by having small classes. They understand my needs, and I always used to sit at the front to help me understand the teacher. So it helped me become better until where I am today.
Students like Ahmed, he came in very purposeful, very motivated, really keen on engineering, really enjoyed the subjects we were delivering, and despite the complication of his need, his hearing impairment, was able to flourish